kailangan ng bayan ay ang pagkakaisa ng damdamin at isipan, hindi ang mga bulag na tagasunod.
Ang tunay na pag-ibig sa bayan ay hindi nasusukat sa salita, kundi sa gawa.
Walang kabuluhan ng hustisya kung ang batas ay para lamang sa makapangyarihan. Simon's personality is shaped by deep bitterness and a thirst for vengeance, reflecting the growing anger among Filipinos toward the injustice committed by the Spanish authorities and friars. Through his wealth and connections, Simon manipulates influential figures and orchestrates plots to incite a revolution, believing that only through violence can the Filipino people gain true freedom. Simon's actions serve as a powerful symbol of the shifting attitudes in the Philippines during the late 19th century. His rejection of reform in favor of armed rebellion mirrors the increasing dissatisfaction among Filipinos and the rising desire for independence. By showing the failure of peaceful change and the harsh consequence of colonial oppression, Rizal used Simon to awaken nationalistic feelings in his readers. Simon's journey from hope to vengeance reflects the emotional and political transformation of the Filipino people, ultimately inspiring the revolutionary spirit that would later lead to the Philippine Revolution.